Now that them crown Popcaan a chief in a Ghana. It's right now, Popcaan, I are the chief of dancehall, you know. Because I see them a fight over goat and king and all different type of title in a dancehall.
You see a lot of them reggae and dancehall artists, yeah. Them never expect or ever think that a producer.
Yes, my peeps, welcome back. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. And today, we are talking about the Chief Papcaan. Popcaan, I chief in Ghana. Yeah, man. Big up himself. Big up himself, Popcaan. Yeah, man. And today we are going to look on him and talk about him a little bit. Yes, my people. And yeah, here we Rasta Murray have to say about the Chief Papcaan. Yeah, man. I tell you, man in a Ghana wrap up in a robe and a tune into him culture. Yeah, man. And we're going to take a look for one little piece. Yes. And here we Rasta Murray have to say so. And my peeps, we check out Kemar McGregor. He have a thing to talk. Yeah, man, and them going to talk about, you know, the producer, Kemar McGregor. We're going to talk about him lifestyle. Yes, so we're going to take him finish off and close off this video. Boy, I put him lifestyle. Yes, get him success real and hope him get it fair and innocent. And he can hold it. You ain't idea. Yeah, man, I'm youths and grand youths. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, my peeps. Welcome back. Yeah, man. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. So,
this is very, very important. So, they will attempt to sit you on the stool. Don't sit fully.
Okay.
Yeah, you know where if you sit fully, go down, go down. Yeah, good. Unruly. So it's all said and done. We have our.
yes, my peeps. Why me don't know what I think. I don't know what I think about Popcaan. Yes. And the chief situation. Yeah, we watch him live, but unruly and the chief, I don't know if the two of them go together. Yes. So that's what I know say the chief thing is a straight lifestyle thing and can live up to it. Where people them can follow and younger youths can follow and live up to it. Yeah, man. I'm sure we can understand what it really mean and where the whole situation mean behind that. What we are watch. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, my people. And today, Rasta Murray, I come out and for him views and I talk about Popcaan and the whole chief situation. You know Rasta Murray, him nah nothing good to say, him nah say it. Yeah, man, him always keep it on a level scale. So big up on yourself, my people. Check out Rasta Murray. Boom! Yardman TV News and Entertainment.
Well, Popcaan as a dancehall artist, me have got other thing to it, you know. It's right now, Popcaan, I are the chief of dancehall, you know. Because I see them a fight over goat and king and all different type of title in a dancehall. Well, now, you, Popcaan, is the chief of dancehall and no guy can come fight over the title there, you know. Big and serious. Congratulations, Popcaan, for your crowning. The youths them a look up to you now, you know. So you have to know, say, it's that crowning there with them crowning in Ghana as chief and get a new name, Nana. That come with great responsibility. The youths them a look up to you. So you know, say, a different meds have to go on in a head cup now, you know. Popcaan, the chief of dancehall, the chief of the younger generation. Big up yourself. Congratulations. Me, Shocking Murray said that.
Yes, my peeps. That's how Rasta boy have to say, no? Yes. So we have to say a few views. Yeah, man. So, you know, we just go and know everybody think a different way, you know? But we must say a good thing. Yeah, man. And big up to Rasta Murray all the time. Yeah, man. Always come out and check out Rasta Murray on TikTok. Yeah, man. A big artist, you know? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, my people. Like more like this. Check it out. That's what I say. Hardman TV news and entertainment.
You see a lot of them reggae and dancehall artists, yeah. Them never expect or ever think that a producer from Jamaica could make it on the level that Kemar McGregor, the Billboard King, on. Them never expect it in a million years that a reggae producer could be so successful, and without them, I dare any one of you scumbag who think that all of this, what I have, come from you all. 99% of reggae and dancehall artists now sell music. I want to record most reggae and dancehall artists when I have free time. They don't sell music, bro. So when you see my glory, bro, I don't want you all to feel like my glory come from any one of you. You all see what I have done when Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica, when a lot of you reggae artists are buying fucking guns and terrorizing Jamaica. I flew a 737 plane to Jamaica to help decent citizens in Jamaica. And enough of you want to come style me who help people. Enough of you help nobody. All I want to do is buy guns when are worse than the bad man them in Jamaica. When Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica, enough of you artists, me no soon on ground zero, me no soon help nobody. Me and my team alone did this. We flew to Jamaica and we helped the people then. So no go like when I want to come style a big international producer. Bro, my greatness, bro, don't come from none of you, bro. None of the record or none of the music cannot support my lifestyle, and it cannot make me help people. When the music not sell, brother, when the don't size up and go like I don't want to come this a big international producer. Me no need 99% of one in a brother. Me no have to record on a brother. When the music not sell, when the sister nobody no really want to collaborate with one again, brother. Reggae and dancehall artists lose it. And for one to get it back, brother, the for one to repent. Most of you a retribution or check on you because buy too much gun. Want to keep up too much fuckery in Jamaica. So karma take most of you. Billboard King, producer Kemar McGregor, God may say, and uno ungrateful Judas and Peter in one artist ain't gonna stop me from continuing to do good and give other good ghetto youth in Jamaica the opportunity. And anytime there's any disaster in my country and I have to help, I will continue to help. None of y'all gonna change my mind from Jamaica. Who God bless, no man curse.
Why, my people? You know, I'm Bonner man. Big up to Kemar McGregor. Yeah, man. Big producer. Hope a big hits. Yeah, man, across the world. Yes. Now I have Bonner man and then they say me bad mind. So, now I have nothing to say. Yeah, man. No watch it, so. Every man feel where them feel. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Boom.